in our industry, 100% quality is expected. You can't send one bad shipment. One part is bad, it's going to be a line stopper. It's not as easy as just having a quality system or a certificate on the wall. It's really building it into your whole process.
One of the biggest values that NHI brings to the majority of our customers is the vertical integration that we have here. And that's really the amount of different manufacturing processes that we have under one roof.
Everything under one roof allows us to be very flexible and streamlined in how we manage a product from inception to launch.
From the engineering standpoint, we have a pretty diverse engineering team with a background in a lot of different industries and different products. So when you do it all, you can control the quality and the cost and the delivery much better.
Starting from the engineering inception of a part, we can also offer a lot of supply chain reaches that smaller manufacturers, suppliers such as us would not be able to do. We have a global reach, which is pretty unique. Having our presence in the United States and being this being our largest center of manufacturing is very important. This building also allowed us to warehouse and deliver products to our customers as they need them. Our employees, their pride in what they do, they make products, they make solutions. Whatever they touch, they're making something that's tangible, it's real.
Going out, reaching out, finding new technology, developing a new process altogether, that problem solving, finding a solution to something that somebody else doesn't have. That's the fun part. Really, everybody here feels that same way.
So whether it's producing a component that's used on a piece of agricultural equipment that helps feed the world, or whether it's a component that's used on an airplane that allows people to travel safely, it means a lot to everybody here.
Everyone in the company looks for ways to ensure the quality is in the process or the tooling or the equipment rather than try to inspect the quality into the parts.
We have some 40-plus year employees. They have a lot of pride. NHI means a lot to them. We had one of our employees drive all the way to South Carolina with a shipment because it had to be there the next day and there was no other way to get it there. It's really built into the workforce that's spent their whole life making products for these same customers.
Our mission is 100% customer satisfaction. We want to exceed what they expect from us on a daily basis in everything we do.